Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create a demo account in Tradingview in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing Tradingview subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. With the help of this link, you will avail up to 80% off on all of the subscriptions of Tradingview. Plus, you will get 1 month absolutely free. Only 2 days left. So if you are interested, make sure that you hurry up. So in order to create a demo account on Tradingview, you first of all need to come here on tradingview.com. Then you can either sign up if you haven't already, or you just have to log in into your account if you already have an account on Tradingview. So this is going to be the section where you just have to click on the option of products. Once you click on the option of products, it is going to open a chart in front of you. Now over here, simply click on the option of a trading panel here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Once it shows you a bunch of different brokers list over here, you just have to click on the first option that says paper trading. Now click on the option of connect, and as you can see, we have our demo account created successfully. Now over here, it is going to show you the paper trading option, your available balance, the equity, your PNL, and bunch of different details. We have the open positions, then we have the orders that you have placed previously. It will be shown here in the order history. Then we have balance history, and then we have the trading journal. Now if you want to make changes into any one of these, you can anytime click on this particular settings icon. From here you can change the name of your account, you can change the leverage settings, you can also change the commissions settings, and if you want to change the balance, simply click on the option of reset. Then you can change the balance and click on the option of reset in order to change everything here in your demo account. Now with the help of this buy and sell option, which will be available as soon as you enable the paper trading here on TradingView, so with the help of it, you can directly punch your orders. For example, if I want to buy, I can click on the option of buy, and as you can see, the buy order is placed successfully. So here, if you want to add the stop loss, simply trail this stop loss just like so. After that, for TP, you just have to drag and drop it something like this. And as you can see, your position is going to look something like this. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.